Ever heard a sound that no one else can? For some people in Taos, New Mexico, it's a daily reality. They hear a low-pitched humming sound, a constant, maddening drone. They call it the Taos Hum. What's weird? Only about 2% of the population can hear it, and scientists have no idea what it is. They've ruled out traffic, industrial noise, and even seismic activity. It's not on any recording devices. So is it a collective illusion, a secret government experiment, or something else entirely? The mystery remains unsolved.